1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, Jooba people? Today we are doing Me Without You, You Without Me. And this was suggested by Margie in our premium community. Thank you so much, Margie. Great song suggestion here. And I want to just tell you that this PDF you can download in the membership. And it's got all the chords and lyrics and everything inside of it. And it's really nice. So go and download that, and then you can get all the chord shapes, because she does use really intense chord shapes in the song. So really not intense like very difficult, but just unconventional ones. Like in the chart you're going to see something like F major 7 sharp 11. What's that, you know? And it's like, it's a bit intense. So I'm going to walk you through the shapes and just explain a bit of the theory behind it, and maybe why she chose to play those shapes, because they are a bit unconventional. All right, so in the live version, we're gonna tune the version that she does on her bed. We're gonna tune down, you know, just until you find it. It's not totally E flat, but I'm gonna play it in standard tuning. All right. I think the original is gonna be capo 1, I believe. Yeah. So, or capo 3. Just switch it around if you the original, the one with the electric guitar. Okay, but enough about the key. We're just gonna play it in standard tuning in this tutorial. So we've got these very nice upward motion chords going on here. F major 7, and we just got like a P-I pattern. And sometimes instead of the thumb you can strum using your index finger. So this is a G6 chord. Now this kind of has that high E the whole time in there. So very beautiful sound. If you were to go to a normal G, normal F, normal G, you know, it sounds a bit too happy, I guess. So then she goes to the minor chord, but has this open B string, which makes it an A minor. But if you add the B string, it's an add 9. So that's the 9th of the A minor chord. And then a regular C. Also have a regular G, but just she almost seldom doesn't play the high string, so it's, and then this F major 7 sharp 11. Now a quicker way to write major 7 is just to put a little triangle there. So, but this is F major 7 sharp 11. Now what makes it F major 7? Sounds the same as this one, but then if you add the B string, and that's the sound of sharp 11. And then sometimes she moves this shape up 2 frets to get another version of G6 that's just a bit fuller sounding than this one. And then we have the A minor chord. It's actually A minor 7 if you add this note. If you don't add it, it's just an A minor. And then we have C over G, which is the walk down to F. So let's do that again. A minor, C over G. Very common folk chord run. Anyway, We have this landslide C over B. No, not the landslide one, just a C over A minor 7. So C, C over B. That goes to A minor 7. D minor, regular D minor. And then we have these two chords here, the G6. Sorry, that's a G6 is over here. And then F major 7 / C. It's just a F major 7 chord with a C in the bass. Very beautiful. Oh, I love it. Okay, so off to the picking. Now, we're alternating the picking and strumming. She kind of combines both, almost like Blackbird, okay? But we have the main pattern going, let's do it on the F major 7, the first chord. P, I, P, I. But obviously, she doesn't play it exactly like that. You know, sometimes the... down, so you can pick, down, up. That's what I believe she does. P, I, down, up. You know, but it's based on these patterns. You can also do P, I, P, M. Beautiful chord progression. So we're going to go through the whole song and I'm going to show you how we play it. So intro, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's easy. Was your smile always crooked? Was the freedom ever free? Do you kick the twirl beneath your feet? For all this time with me, you can listen to your own records now. Decide what you believe. You can pray on stars and skip the gods like storms across the sea. And then we go to the chorus, pre-chorus. I wanna know you anywhere. I lost myself. If you want to. Now I do something on the G there. I would know you in. I lost myself. Heavy clouds are in. Do what you beautiful. Oh, that's nice, eh? There you are, my morning star. I wondered when you told. Give me just a quick thumbs up, away before you go. I'm doing a pausing chord there. Never heard that voice before today. I'm not myself to breathe. You are with you. Let's intro again. Oh, wow, I love it. I love it. I love it. It's very nice. Okay, I'm not going to go over everything else. It's all very simple. Just here at the end, we have this bridge doing F major 7 over C sharp.
Just quick thumbs up away before you go. I never heard that voice before today. I remind myself to breathe. You are this you without me, just you.
That sounded bad. I tried to kind of let it go up. Anyway, have fun, guys. Have fun learning this song. I think there is a final page that's with nothing on it. But anyway. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye. Thanks, Margie, for the suggestion. Bye.